So I was walking down a trail in Zion National Park the other day, and I was thinking about what am I going to talk about on Monday? And obviously, it needs to be nature, and nature is integral to the style of Buddhism that I practice from Tibet called Vajrayana Buddhism. Vajrayana Buddhism delves into the nature and essence of our natural world, the inanimate universe, and at the same time integrates it with indigenous animistic beliefs in a very interesting way. This is Lopan Yudran. Let's explore this together today. So all the qualities of our natural world, our physical world, are regarded as primordially pure female Buddhas. The solid aspect of our world is regarded as the female Buddha, Buddha Lochana, who is associated with support, stability, and structure. So like the earth under our feet, that kind of feeling, but also within our bodies, it's the structure of our bodies, the form. Unlike the liquid or the warmth, etc. in our bodies, it's a physical quality. So that is Buddha Lochana, the female Buddha of the earth, associated with the direction south, the color yellow, and so on. This isn't like a goddess that we worship from outside. It's recognizing the sacred in the inherent within the natural world, beyond our conceptuality, our grasping of it or non-grasping of it, our desire and aversion to it, all our relationship to it, but the actual essential nature, the essence of solidity. Then we have the Buddha Mamaki, the female Buddha of the eastern direction, associated with the color white or sometimes blue. This is the embodiment of the pure essence of water, flowing quality, coolness, taste, a certain kind of sweet taste, and it represents purity, right? I think you can imagine who's next, right? Pandara Vasini, also known as Go Karmo in Tibetan. Her name means white cloak or white robe. And you can see this, we're using an example of the sun, which we think of as sort of inherently red in color because of its warmth and giving qualities, its glow. But here, in this representation, which I didn't make, we see the sun is represented as white, sort of the outer glow being white and the inner essence being red. And also in a campfire, the same thing happens where there's red parts and there's white parts. So it's not too surprising that where she got her name from, Go Karmo. And without her, we couldn't function because we need her for our metabolism. Our body heat is dependent on the totally pure element, the aspect of fire. So she is associated with the direction west and the color red. Then we turn our attention to the air around us, the quality of movement and weightlessness all around us. Without the air, we couldn't exist. This is naturally associated with the movement of our nervous system, the neurotransmitters, the subtle energies in our body, and so on. This is known as the Buddha Samayatara, or Damsik Droma in Tibetan, associated with the color green in the direction north. Now, how are we going to depict the Buddha of the space? Yingchukma. Dat Vishvari in Sanskrit. She's sometimes depicted as white and sometimes blue, like Mamaki. She's at the center of the mandala, of course, and she envelops us. She represents emptiness. At this level, we're talking about qualities that can never be corrupted, are never polluted, will always have flow, clarity, solidity, warmth, etc., as forever. These are permanent, eternal principles. So as we pull out of Zion National Park on the bus, recall last week's insight, reported by many people, that the way to get in touch with these pure elements is by practicing in solitude and silence. Join me next week when we will discuss other insights from Tibetan Buddhism into the natural world and our relationship to it.